Hey, Simi Lolu here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn your money into income, specifically into Bitcoin if you're into cryptocurrency. But if you're not into cryptocurrency, then it's just an investment for you. For me, I use it to earn Bitcoin because I am into cryptocurrency. I love cryptocurrency, and most especially I love Bitcoin. I want to earn Bitcoin. So this platform works for me, and I want to show you how it is working for me. Okay, so let's start here. The name of the company is Hashflare, and it's a cloud mining company, and all they do is they use their equipment that they have purchased and put into a warehouse. They use the equipment to mine Bitcoin, but taking it a little further, they allow you and me to be a part of that action, so we can rent some power of those equipment and actually earn Bitcoin ourselves. So that's really all it has entailed for me. If we go into buy hash rate right here, this is where you start off to purchase your power. Now there's several contracts because it's a 1 year. Each of these contracts are a 1 year contract. And what that means is when you invest, you get the proceeds at the end of 1 year. But before that 1 year is up, you can actually withdraw your money, your daily earnings, if that's the way you want to play it. For some people, they want to reinvest their daily earnings to compound the amount of power that they have, so that they're earning more on a daily basis, because they've bought more power on a daily basis. So it's really up to you what you want to do. I'll just show you what I'm doing. This particular contract called the SHA-256, this is the Bitcoin mining contract, and it's the most lucrative right now. So let's click on it. Okay. So this is where we purchase. Yes. And if we go here, we have a slider right here. And basically you want to be looking at this amount, this box down here, because that changes depending on how much power you want to purchase. If I want to purchase 570 gigahash of power, it'll set me back $125 or this amount in Bitcoin. Once you go past the gigahash, 1,000 gigahash of power is equivalent to 1 terahash. So if you want to buy 1 terahash of power, that's 1,000 gigahash of power. It'll set you back $220 US. Okay, so if we proceed, and I'm gonna have to refresh this page because it does this. Okay, so let's start all over again. Buy hash rate, the SHA-256. 1 terahash of power, $220, or if you have it in Bitcoin, you can pay with Bitcoin. You click proceed, and there it is, the invoice, $220. You select your payment method, and there's several ways you can pay. You can pay in Bitcoin. You click here if you have the Bitcoin. You can pay with your balance if you like. If, like me, you have an open contract where you've already accrued enough balance to purchase that $220 worth of terahash, then by all means click on this balance. I haven't accrued that amount yet. I might have, or would have been close to it if I hadn't started off reinvesting my daily earnings. You can also pay by credit card or by payer. So there's quite a few options there for payment. Now if we go to my dashboard, I started on this platform on the 18th of December 2017. Today is the 17th of January 2018. So I've been pretty much exactly 1 month on this platform. This line here shows you my daily balance increasing from day to day. So that's going to keep on going up. These blue columns here show how much I earn per day. So on the 5th of January, I earned this amount in Bitcoin right here, 0.00 0.3435 of a Bitcoin. And here on the 8th of January, I added more power. I added an extra $200 more of the hash rate, which is the unit of power. And you can see here my payout increased because I bought an extra $200 worth of hash power. So these rates, the rate of my payout depends on the difficulty of mining as well as the price of Bitcoin. And so that's that. If we go down to, here. So altogether I purchased 3 terahash of power. So that's $500 worth of power. The 0.16, that came from when I started off, I was reinvesting my daily earnings, but I decided to change my strategy a little bit and not reinvest for now. I'll go back to it, but I want to accumulate some money so I can withdraw it. I always like to test my platforms because I don't want to wait the whole year to get my proceeds. I want to be able to get something out and, just test the platform and be sure that everything's okay. So what I'm doing is accumulating my earnings so I can withdraw. Alongside here, it shows how much I'm earning on a daily basis, $4.20. Now, this is a range because this amount I earn is dependent on the mining difficulty. So if the mining difficulty goes down, I earn more. It's also dependent on the price of Bitcoin. So if the price of Bitcoin goes down, I earn less. And if the price of Bitcoin goes up, I earn more. So this has been a range. It's ranged from, the $4 mark all the way up to about $6.80 or thereabouts. Now it shows here how much that would be on a weekly basis. This has gone all the way up to $40 when Bitcoin was closer to a high. And then it shows how much I would earn at the end of 1 year, which pretty much is going to give me at least 3 times my investment back. So that's that so far. Now let's see, if we go over to history, it just basically shows how much I've invested. I think this was when I was reinvesting my daily earnings. So it was buying me these small amounts of power on a daily basis. Then I changed my strategy. And here it just shows my daily payout. Today is the 17th of January. So it's paid me this amount in Bitcoin, and it's increased my balance. So you can see my balance has been increasing steadily. And if you go all the way down, my balance would have started off at 0 balance. And then I'm paying this amount in maintenance fees. So let's calculate this quickly just to see how much I'm paying in maintenance fees. I'm paying, well, today I paid, let's put that in, 0.971 of a Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin is about that $10,000 mark, a little over. So today I've paid $1.04 in maintenance fees. So what I got as my payout for today was after this amount was deducted from my earnings. That's really all I have to say about Hashflare. It's a great company. I have no complaints so far. And I haven't heard any complaints, listening in on the forums and on Twitter and on YouTube. So this is it. And if you're interested in earning money, I would suggest you try it out. Try it out with a small amount first. Try it out with whatever you're comfortable with. And if you've liked this video, I'd appreciate a like. Comment below if you have a question. Let me know what country you're viewing in from. And don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you on the next video.